This ocean marine animal video content is going insanely viral all over the internet. Look at this TikTok page. This page gained over 4,000 followers just by posting this type of content. And one of their videos got 1 million views, while other videos are also pulling in thousands of. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can make this type of video. Here's a video I made in less than 5 minutes. So let's get started. Head over to my master prompt. You can find the link in the description. Copy the entire prompt from there. Then head over to ChatGPT and paste your master prompt in. The GPT will generate 10 video topic ideas. So choose the topic number I'll go with number 1. It will then generate both an image prompt and a video prompt. Copy the image prompt, then head over to OpenArt. You can find the link in the description. On the left sidebar, click on Image and select Nanobanana 2 for image generation. Paste your image prompt there. For output, choose 916 at 1K. You can also choose how many images you want to generate, then hit generate. This is how the image gets created, and it looks perfect, by the way. After the image is created, download it and head back to ChatGPT. Copy the video prompt, then go back to OpenArt. Click on Video in the left sidebar, choose the VO 3.1 model. Upload your image, paste your video prompt, and for output, select 916. Then choose your video duration. Select how many videos you want to generate and hit generate. Here are the results, along with another video I already made. That's the full workflow. All the links you need are in the description. Make sure you subscribe so you never miss out.